To make a good character AI bot for the first time,
now click on your search engine. Now here inside your search engine, type in on the search bar character.ai. Now click on search. Now here,
now slide down till you reach create a character, click on it. Now here, sign in with any email you want, but here I will use Google email. Now click on it, wait for it. Now through the sign in processes, now click on it, the email. Now click on continue. Now wait for it. Now follow the process of entering your birthday and click on continue when you are done. Click on continue. Now wait for it. Now add your character name. Now add your character AI tagline. Tagline means what generates your AI name. Now slide down. Describe what you want the AI character to be by clicking on description. Now here, I describe my own as agent, which you can also use as, or you can create your own specific description. Here, slide down. Select how you want the character AI to be greeting you by clicking on greeting. Now click on audio. Select the voice type you want the character AI to be using. You can also know how the voice sounds by clicking on this play icon on it and then listen to it. Now select it by clicking on it like this and then click on select. Here on visibility, you can either select it public, unlisted or private. Here I leave my own on public. Now create your character profile icon. There is two ways to do this. Either you generate the image or you upload the image. Now to generate the image, now describe what you want the AI to generate for you. Now after doing it, just click on generate. Now select the one you want to use by clicking on it and then click on select. Now slide down and click on create character. Wait for it to load up and then you have made a character AI. Watch this video on the screen for more helpful guide on AI tutorial, and also like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorial and application guide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.